The NOMADIQ Portable Propane Grill feels genuinely travel-ready, with a clamshell design that folds into a compact briefcase-style shape that is easy to carry and stash in a car trunk or RV compartment. Despite its small footprint, the grill provides two generous nonstick cooking zones that handle a surprising amount of food for camping trips, tailgates, or balcony dinners. The dual-burner layout with separate controls on each side makes it simple to sear meat on one surface while keeping vegetables or buns at a gentler heat on the other. Because the body uses lightweight aluminum components, the grill is light enough to move with one hand, yet still feels sturdy and well-built when opened and locked into place. Setup is almost effortless, since the legs and side panels swing out quickly and the propane connection is straightforward, so you can be cooking within a very short time of arriving at your spot. Cleanup is relatively painless thanks to the smooth grates and accessible drip areas, making this a realistic everyday portable grill rather than something you only want to haul out for special occasions.